Hello students, welcome to today's lecture. In today's lecture I am going to discuss about polynomial congruences. Okay, polynomial congruences means you will be given with an equation. You need to find the solution of that equations. So consider a polynomial f of x equal to a naught xn plus a1 xn minus 1 plus so on up to an, which is congruent to 0 mod m, where n is greater than or equal to 1. And a naught, a1, an are all belongs to Z. Now, to find the root of such polynomial equation, we say C as root of this polynomial if and only if satisfies the condition. What is the condition? Whenever you substitute C in the function, that should satisfy congruent to 0 mod m. Means what? When you put C, f of C is congruent to 0 mod m. If it satisfies, then you can say x is equal to c is the root of the given polynomial. That means what? We say c is a root if and only if m divides f of c. Understood? If this property satisfies, then we say we can solve the polynomial. Okay. Now, ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ಏನಂದರೆ polynomial congruence ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಇದು ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ಒಂದು ರೂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅದು. ಯಾವಾಗಂದರೆ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಸಿನ ನೀವು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಏನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಮಾಡ್ ಎಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಎಮ್ಮು ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆವಾಗ ನಾವು ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ನೋ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ by this example. Okay, find the roots of the polynomial x square plus 2x minus 3 congruent to 0 mod 5. Okay, given, write down the given. So given polynomial is x square plus 2x minus 3 congruent to 0 mod 5, and here m is 5. ಈಗ m 5 ಇದ್ರೆ x ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವೆ? ಎಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಏನಿರ್ಬೋದು? m minus 1. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ m minus 1 ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಅಂದರೆ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ನು 1 0 1 2 3 4. ಓಕೆ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ 0 1 2 3 4 in your function and check whether it satisfies, that is congruent to 0 mod 5, whether they are divisible by 5 or not. We have to check whenever you put these values. So we need to, I will write this only. Okay, f of x is x square plus 2x minus 3 and m is 5, and put f of 0 means x as 0 in the equation. Then what will you get? We will get minus 3. Minus 3 is not congruent to 0 mod 5. Okay, it is less than 5. So automatically remainder will be minus 3 only. So it is not congruent to 0 mod 5. Now when you put 1, what happens? 1 plus 2 minus 3. Okay, 1 plus 2 minus 3 is 0. Okay, 0 mod 5, that is 0 is congruent to 0 mod 5. Next put 2. When you put 2 square plus 2 into 2 minus 3, you will get it as 5. 5 is congruent to 0 mod 5. Next put 3. When you put 3, you will get it as 12. 12 is not congruent to 0 mod 5. So when you put 4, you will get 21, which is not congruent to 0 mod 5. Means what? When you observe all these values, for 1 it is 0 congruent to 0 mod 5, and for 2 it is 5 congruent to 0 mod 5. So it should be congruent to 0 mod 5. So it has solution for 1 and 2. Okay. Now means what? You can write the given polynomial, that is for x equal to 1 and 2 are the roots of the given polynomial f of x mod 5. These are the roots. So means what? It has solution for x equal to 1 and 2. So given equation is quadratic equation. So it has roots. Those are two roots. Here 0, 3 and 4, these are not roots of the given polynomial. Okay. for f of x mod 5. So we'll check one more example. Solve x cube plus 5x plus 1 congruent to 0 mod 27. Okay. Now what is given here? F of x is x cube plus 5x plus 1. What is m? M is 27. Now 27 is large. Okay, we can write it as 9 into 3. 9 into 3 means you can find the solution for mod 9 and mod 3. As I said, the solution set lies in between the set m minus 1. Okay, m minus 1 is, if you consider 9 is a bigger number in these two. So if you find the solution for 9, it is enough, because the 3 sets, for 3 the values are lies in 9 only, 9 set only. So as I said before, the congruence, consider the congruence f of x congruent to 0 mod 9, then call this as equation 1. Then the possible solution set of 1 are, they lies in the set 0 to 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Or the same set, it can be written as, in the previous videos I have explained this. Okay, in the congruence, why congruence is not called as equality, because here we are considering mod 9 is m as 9. 9 you can represent 5 by minus 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. So if we add 4 to the number, then it is divisible. So in that concept, in place of 5 you can write minus 4, in place of 6 you can write minus 3, in place of 7 you can write minus 2, and for 8 it is minus 1. So means what? Set becomes 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, and plus or minus 4. These are the possible set solution. Now among these we have, if solution exists, it exists among these only. Okay. Now we'll check for the solution. Go on substituting the values as x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and check whether they have a solution or not. So when you put minus 4, f of minus 4 so when you put minus 4, you will get it as minus 83, which is not congruent to 0 mod 9. When you put minus 3, you will get minus 41, which is not congruent to mod 9. So when you put minus 2, you will get minus 17, which is not congruent to 0 mod 9. So when you put minus 1, you will get minus 5, which is not congruent to 0 mod 9. So next put 0. So for 0 it is 1, which is not congruent to 9 mod 9. Now when you put 1, it is 7, which is not congruent to 0 mod 9. So for 2, you will get 19. 19 is not congruent to 0 mod 9. For 1, you will get the value as 43, which is, for 2 we will get it as 19, and for 3 it is 43, which is not congruent to 0 mod 9, and for 4 you will get the value as 85, which is not congruent to 0 mod 9. So when you observe these, all these set of values from minus 4 to plus 4, all values we put in the given polynomial equation, and for any of the values we have not got any solution. That's why what you can write, we can conclude that f of x is congruent to 0 mod 9 has no solution. Since we expressed 27 as 9 into 3, and 3 the solutions are, solution set is 0, 1, 2, which includes in 9th set only, 0, 1, 2, which comes under 9 only. That's why you can write f of x congruent to 0 mod 9 also has no solution. 3 the mod 3 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರದ್ದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ 0, 1, 2 ಅವು 9 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾವು. ಸೊ when if you can say f of x congruent to 0.9 solution illa anta helidaga, you can say f of x congruent to 0 mod 3 also not a solution. So in general what we can write in conclusion, f of x congruent to 0 mod 27 has no solution. Means the given polynomial equation whatever you are given with here, x cube plus 5x plus 1 congruent to 0 mod 27 ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, it has no solution. Okay, in the next class I am going to discuss some more example on this, and this example is important because it has been asked in your model question paper, that is in VTU, for VTU students. Okay, keep practicing. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment box. Till then practice such examples. If you are not yet subscribe my channel, do subscribe. ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ for further notification of my videos. Kindly support, and till then for the next video, wait for my next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.